Good morning everyone, it's a Saturday morning and it's at Dealer's Choice. We're delivering this beautiful 2019 C43 AMG Coupe. To give you an idea on how this went down, it was one of those classic easy deals. Customer phoned us early, I think it was Tuesday, and was very interested in the vehicle. Sent him all the detail on the vehicle as well. Decor report, the service history. He was only saying that he was able to come through on the Saturday morning, which would be today, to only view the car. But what we did is we got his finance in, we approved him, we validated his deal. He was very happy with what our finance department put together and he went with the deal. I then took the vehicle to him and he had a look at it then, very happy with it. And here we are Saturday, not viewing the car, but taking delivery. So ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. We thank you very much. And this is how we do things here at Dealer's Choice. We're very transparent, very straightforward. And we like to give excellent service to all of our customers.
I would rate it a 12 out of 10. Yeah, no, it exceeded absolutely all my expectations for a second-hand car that I buy, but a second-hand car that I have as a new car experience. Excellent quality, professionalism was out of this world, very good experience.
If you were to find someone looking for a car, would you recommend this?
Oh, obviously, yeah, no, I've already done so.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
Other than the vouchers that you have there, this is a gift for you.
Oh, thanks.
It's not to drink on the way home.
Ja, nou,
These are the installs today.
I'll try my best.
Waar heb je jou voertuig?
Baie dankie.
Ek wil net by jou hoor, nee. Hoe het jy ons diens ervaar?
Nee, fantasties. Ek het beter diens hier gekry as wat ek by Ford gekry het.
Okay.
En vir 'n nuwe en dis nou vir nuwe karre. So nee, dit was seamless.
Maar sal stap van die ouens wat jy weer terugkom met na jou toe?
Ja, nee, baie
Is jy tevrede
professioneel.
daarmee?
Nee, yes, nee, ek kan julle net aanbeveel. Dit was fantasties. Very nice.
Beautiful, beautiful car. Congratulations.
Thanks. Thank
Absolute
you for
pleasure.
everything. Yeah, no, this is excellent.